What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing the Akebono brakes for the G35 350Z, the 370Z, and the G37. I got my kit off of Concept Z Performance. I got the remanufactured ones. They were about $300 cheaper. I think they were remanufactured through Power Stop. I looked it up because I was like, why does it say Power Stop on it? And they're still Akebonos. They're just remanufactured and put the Power Stop logo on them. These are the rears. I also got it with the stainless steel brake lines, and I got the modal 5.1 dot. I'm pretty sure this is the front right here. The front left side, it says. They're right here on the edge, and mostly in here. Alright, so first I'm going to start by opening this. It's a 10mm. Then you got to pop this out right here. Okay, finally got that out. And there's another one right down here. Okay, so now we can pull that out. Yeah, see, there we go. That comes right off. I'm gonna take this off, this lip right here. Getting ready to start bolting this on, but just so you can see the difference of the stock one versus the Akebono or Power Stop. Cut that lip off. So the other one used to go on the inside right there. This one sticks quite a bit past. Yep. See, that's a pretty big difference. Alright, so this says to tighten it down to 12 to 14 foot-pounds, so I put this on 13. It goes like that. Alright, so I think it needs to go through this way so it can sit flush. There we go. So it goes in like that, and then you put the pin in right there, it looks like. And so it came with this for each caliper. It came with these pins and with these this little pin right here. But in the kit for the calipers it was gone, but in the kit for the brake pads there's a whole nother set. So I went and bought more of these since I had one missing, but I didn't end up needing to because I got it in the brake pads. Gotta push that up. Alright, so now I'm on the front and I'm gonna install this adapter right here. Okay, so it says that the long bolt is for the top. So this needs to be pointed towards that. It says just to get them finger tight. Cut this off right here and then probably bash that in a little bit. To bolt this on, and these ones you put through the backside just to get this dialed in to where it needs to be, because by putting these bolts in, it'll hold this where it needs to be. So this is just temporary. It says to torque this down to 75 foot-pounds. That one will come off. So maybe we can hook our brake cable up to that one. I was gonna try to go to this one, but I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know if I can get that off of there. Okay, so now that is off. There we go. Looks like it's supposed to fit in like that. There we go. I like the way that looks. That looks like it'll work pretty good. Yeah. I think that'll work. Alright, got that. Those are secure. I think it's about time to put on the new rotor now. Still hitting somewhere. Where's it hitting? I think it's gotta be right here. Yep. No more noise. That fits good. So now I got my brake pads installed just like I did on the rear. And it's time to put these on. Doesn't feel right. Alright, so I got these bolts tightened down right here. This bracket is from Concept Z Performance and it did not fit right. I actually had to take it to my drill press and mill out the inside of this a little bit because the holes were not lining up. I had to, on this bottom part right here, I had to mill it out downwards, make it kind of oval up. So I got those tightened down. Now I got to put it back on the brake line. I had this on, but I had to keep taking this off, so I disconnected it again. Alright, so now we're going to break in the new rotors and pads. It says to go 45 miles an hour down to 10 miles an hour rapidly. And then after you do that, then you want to go down or go from 35 miles an hour to 5 miles an hour rapidly. And then after that, you wait 5 minutes and don't hit the brakes and let it cool down. Says that you don't want to come to a complete stop. So I'm gonna go 35 miles an hour to 5 miles an hour 3 times. 5 times.